Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you how I upgraded these Dollar Tree farmhouse pictures with these beautiful wood frames that I made. So I'm going to link for you guys the last video I showed you guys. I had some other farmhouse pictures from Dollar Tree that I also added these frames to. So it's just a wood frame that I make, and then this one I actually stained it and then painted it and sanded it down to give it that weathered look. Here is just another wood frame, except I didn't paint it because it has all this character to it, which I love, and it just gives it like that barn feel, which I thought went perfect with this cow picture. I just add a backing to it, and that is also what the picture is attached to, and then just a sawtooth nail hanger there to hang the pictures really easily. So all of these pictures here are going to be on my Etsy shop. If you're interested in purchasing, my link will be in the description bar. Also, really soon I'm going to have just the frames with the backing, and if you want to add your own picture, you can just buy the frame and do your own pictures and paint it how you would like, or some of them will already be painted, the frames. So again, all the information will be in the description bar. Check it out, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.